Hello folks, welcome to another episode of Mail Call. So I got a couple of cool Hot Wheels in November from my friend Tyson from the West Coast. Let's get right into it. So as I shared, I'm part of multiple groups. This is known as Never Enough Sales and Auctions. So where I participated in a couple of auctions. So the first thing first, we have Nissan Skyline. The Nissan Skyline R30 from the Factory Fresh series. So you can see, it's a very cool casting. Moving on, next we have from Exotic, Lotus Spirit S1. This is from the Exotic series. Next couple of we have is 70 Ford Escort from the Baja Blazers. Then we have 20 Jeep Gladiator, the Borgia series. So I'm planning to unbox this one, and all of my Borgia series. We have a couple of one Range Rover as well, Range Rover Defender. I think I need to get a macro lens for this kind of like videos, hopefully soon. Till then, it is what it is. We have one very cool casting. This is one of my favorites, Fairly 2000. If you can see, it's pretty neat. Oh, it has the Yokohama decals as well. And I do not know if you can see, but it's there. It's very good, cool casting from Datsun. Then we have Mercedes C-Class. This is a classic one. Next we have another Mercedes, which is 15 Mercedes AMG GT. This is from the Screen Time from Fast and Furious. And last but not least, a couple of more Skylines. So this is the police decaled Skyline, the Skyline 2000 GTR. And this is another one classic, the GTX. So that's a short video. So this is the group I'm talking about, the Never Ending Sales group. Big shout out to my friend Tyson. Thank you very much for hooking up with this cool cars. Thank you once again for supporting the channel. We have crossed 300 subscribers recently in just 1 year. I think we are not 1 year, we're just 5 or 6 months in. But once again, thank you very much for the support and love. So far out of this, these are the two I liked. I would say my favorites on this mail calls, Fair Lady and the Factory Fresh Nissan Skyline. Let me know in the comments below which one you liked most on this short video. See you in another one.